स्कूल में जब आप ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी या फिर प्रॉपर्टी का कंसेप्ट अगर पढ़ते हो तो लेक्चरर जो आपको पढ़ाते हैं वो सबसे पहले यही बताते हैं कि प्रॉपर्टी आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स। कौन सी? एक तो मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी और दूसरी होती है इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी, एंड दे ऑल्सो डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द टू। सो माई क्वेश्चन टू यू इज दैट why do we differentiate between movable and immovable property? Why there is a need to differentiate between the two when we are talking about transfer of property? If you know the answer, comment down below. If you don't know the answer, please swipe. So the reason why we differentiate between movable and immovable property is because both the types of properties require different formalities which has to be undertaken while dealing with them, be it procedural formality or time limit under law of limitation. For example, when we talk about immovable property, it requires that it has to be duly signed, it has to be written document, it has to be registered, attested, and on the other hand, when we talk about movable property, so simple delivery of possession of that movable property and also intention is sufficient in that. And when we talk about time limit in case of immovable property is 12 years, and we talk about movable property, it is generally 3 years. So that is why it is very important that we have to differentiate between the two.